Hello and a very warm welcome to the Economic Times GCC Search 2025. I'm Apoorva Shukla, your host for the session called Coffee Break Chat. And to lead today's discussion, I have with me Mr. Biju Raj from Broadridge, India and Diwakar Rai from Diebold Nixdorf on the discussion topic GCC's role in shaping the future of finance. So let's start the interaction. So Biju, I would like to ask you first, how are GCCs reshaping the financial services value chain today?
Thanks, Apoorva. GCCs are getting involved and the technologies are changing quite a bit. I mean, with the advent of blockchain, AI, etc., the entire financial sector is actually being disrupted quite a bit. And in that part, for example, in Broadridge, we actually play a very critical role in what we build as our products, reimagining our products, be it the innovation labs, be it what we do in the latest technology space. We're heavily involved in defining what the company's products are, how the platform story goes about.
Now, moving to Diwakar, I would like to understand what role do GCCs play in accelerating the digital transformation in BFSI?
See, frankly speaking, from the GCC perspective, we are becoming the digital custodian.
Right.
Now, from becoming a digital custodian, how we evolve ourselves into the evolution or innovation part of it, that is where GCCs will have to come into picture. How we can create more IPs. We know the domain, we know the technical stack, and we know the processes. So we need to really transcend ourselves into the IP creation part if you want to grow as a GCC.
Now, moving to the innovation and technology side of things, I would like to ask Biju, right, which financial services functions are most ripe for GCC-led reinvention? What do you think?
So building on what Diwakar said, the domain expertise that GCCs have built over the period, we see a lot of innovation capabilities where we could actually move into product management. We could actually start having global roles come out of GCC as well. So there's a lot of innovation that's actually coming in, and the value chains actually getting extended as well from what we deliver from here.
Okay. Now, moving to Diwakar, I would like to understand, how can GCCs drive innovation in areas like AI, data, and fintech solutions? What is your take on that, and what do you feel about it?
And believe me, this is an evolving story. This is not going to be a one set story. What I personally believe is we need to democratize this. I call it superminds. And the next gen business model will be of superminds where we democratize this whole process, collect information from our employees, and then give them a framework to really roll this out. So that's where I feel supermind culture will come into picture, and not one department can drive this. So normally we used to have R&D or a COE doing this. I don't think that will work in time to come.
Okay. We've talked about innovation, right? Now, I would like to move to the talent and capability building side of things. I would like to ask Biju, how are GCCs balancing cost efficiency and high value innovations and evolution?
Cost is going to be a play, has been the play before, but more and more it's actually what value can you deliver.
Right.
From a talent perspective, domain skills are becoming extremely important. Ability to think from a commercial perspective, actually being able to see a problem holistically, product leadership. These are the skills that actually sort of making or breaking, being able to actually really put the customer in the center of what we actually want to solve, and then actually being able to figure out solutions that work for the customer. So those are the skills that are actually becoming key.
Now, moving to Diwakar, I would like to understand, what do you think? What kind of unique skills, must India's GCC develop in case of to lead the BFSI reinvention? What is your take in that?
See, obviously technology is one aspect, but where I see the gap right now is either the people are technology adept or domain adept.
Right.
The marriage is the journey what we need to really excel on. Second thing, which is a softer aspect of the skill, which is communication. Are we able to articulate what we want to do to our global stakeholders? And I see that is also an equal gap from the GCC perspective, which we need to address. Right now, maybe 20% are efficient in that communicating the value, 80% will have to embark on that journey.
So you guys have given amazing insights on how GCCs are going through the entire evolution, innovation side of things, strategic side of things. Now I'm going to wrap this conversation with a quick rapid fire session. So I'm going to ask one question each, and your answers needs to be, very prompt and very crisp. So I would like to start with Biju. So the first question to you is one word that describes your leadership style.
Oh, really fast. I mean, succeed fast, fail fast, but make decisions really fast.
Okay. Diwakar, I would like to understand build or buy. What is your first instinctive choice?
Build.
Build. To Biju, I would like to ask what is the most exciting tech trend that you're observing right now?
Blockchain is back. Tokenization.
To Diwakar, I would like to ask one thing that instantly impresses you in an engineering candidate.
I think their mindset of looking beyond tasks,
Right.
or when you give them a task, I think that mindset thing is what attracts me to this, even the new generation guys. Yeah.
I'm going to ask you one very generic question. The debate is going for quite a long time. I would like to understand remote work or back to office. What works better for engineers? What do you think?
As long as people deliver, it should be fine whether it's remote or
Okay.
back in office.
So you're absolutely fine with somebody, working from home or coming to office till the time the deliveries are being made?
We do a 2-day office currently,
Okay.
and that seems to work.
What about you, Diwakar? What is your take on that?
I have a mixed take. Isolation is a disease, I call it, and people are getting isolated. There has to be a kind of a mixed model. It cannot be complete work from home. Hybrid is the way to go. And the more we engage together, and that's how we can create super minds, is what I call it.
So what is your biggest professional learning from your entire career trajectory you feel, Diwakar?
Adaptability. We sometimes become very slow to adapt things. We see things coming to our way, but we still go slow about it. So adaptability is one thing which we should.
So now moving to Biju, I would like to ask, what is that one myth that you would like to burst about GCCs currently?
GCCs are not cosplay alone. They do a lot of innovation. So there's a lot of high-end tech actually happening out of these GCCs. We just need to tell the story better.
Thank you so much for the amazing insights. So this was my time with Mr. Biju and Mr. Diwakar. Stay tuned to ETGCC to know more what's happening right here in Kochi at this amazing coffee break chat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.